we lived in Brighton Beach, and Aliza Greenblatt, who happens to be Arlo Guthrie's grandmother, by the way. My daughter worked for Arlo Guthrie, and we took my mother to meet Arlo. And she walked into the what is Alice, it's called Alice's Church, it's now the Guthrie Center. And there's a picture of Aliza and Arlo's mother, Marjorie, who was a famous dancer. In fact, I think I took dancing lessons from her in Sheepshead Bay. And she was stunned, because every Sunday, Aliza Greenblatt used to have, and she lived in the other ends of where from I lived, she lived in Seagate, would have an open house for writers, just to read and bounce off their ideas for one another. And every once in a while, my mother would go. So she knew Aliza very well. And at that time, I had given many, many of my mother's personally autographed books to the center, but I kept a few for myself, one being one of Aliza's, because there was music in it. And I love Yiddish and Hebrew music. And I mentioned it to my mother, and she said, let's translate all the Yiddish into English and give it to Arlo so he could understand his grandmother's poetry. And we did.